Welcome to Austin. This is our biggest event ever. We've got about 300 people here. We've got 60 sessions. We've got 5 workshops. We've got 3 panels. We've got 2 live streams. This is all about what's happening in Edge AI, what's next.
It means a lot to us because we are one of the kind of few companies that has a sensor with AI with it, and that means you can do edge detection for vision applications. And I enjoy being here because when I talk about a sensor with AI, everybody understands it. Versus when I go to other events, they may like the solution, but they don't really appreciate what's happening.
So we come from a lot of different disciplines, and here today, that's sort of what we were looking for, were kind of the emergent trends in Edge AI. We're getting different perspectives, different lenses to look at this. I found it very interesting to see people coming from academia, people coming from very specific sort of security hardware areas, like embedded hardware, as well as talking about the full stack and cloud solution. A really great 360 view, all with the lens of looking at Edge AI. So it's been very helpful for us.
So my name is John Rizzo. I'm the director of the education program for the Edge AI Foundation. We're taking those people that participate in our education and matching them to companies that are looking for those skill sets. And that's through the work of our Career Edge pillar. And we're doing that work with our partners at 5V, which is fantastic.
Very cool initiative that the Edge AI Foundation has put together. And we look forward to helping them solve problems in this area by enabling students, enabling academic professors to achieve the innovations that they need to get to through connections with the industry. One of the things I'm most excited about at this event is to see these major companies, big players in the game, come together and really, through the knowledge share, tackle problems that can't be tackled on their own.
Well, first, it's a really good way to learn what's the latest, to see some really technical presentation and to go like behind the scene and get to understand concretely what are the capabilities of Edge AI nowadays. So that's really interesting. And to connect with former colleagues, folks from my previous company and make sure that I can reconnect with those people is great too. And the third thing is to kind of understand the journey to have Edge AI widespread and making money for all the ecosystem.